to trade up into before we see some weakness and a continuation to the downside, if it is truly weak indeed. So when I move back over to the weekly time frame, I was actually looking at the weekly time frame here. With 2 days passing, Monday and Tuesday's price action booking, with no lows being created, and the highs, 2 previous weeks of highs being taken out, right? I can either expect these relative equal highs to be run out, right? We have seen a fake out right there. But if you were to reach up into the 100.276 to 101.267, more specifically 100.276, and we fail that area, then I could expect the market to drop even lower to 94.629. Definitely can expect that to play out, man. It is high resistance, and I'll be lying to you if I told you that this is an easy market. It is a very straightforward market to look at and be like, yep, it's going to go there, yep, it's going to go there, yep, it's going to bounce from there. No, it's not easy at all, guys. We are trading to the downside. The sentiment is bearish. We haven't seen a major market structure shift. I will be waiting for the 99.421 area to be taken out for there to be a minor market structure shift. And this is on a weekly time frame. Now, dropping down on a daily time frame, right? Because let's get this straight. On the weekly time frame, honestly to God, the only thing I'm looking out for is this fair value gap here. We have these relative equal highs here. We have this fair value gap that price has rebalanced already. So price don't really need to get up there unless it fails this area and uses it as an inversion fair value gap, in which I'd have to extend it out further. But going forward, I want to aim for low hanging fruits. And the lowest hanging fruit that I can see right here is this high at 99.421. We have this midpoint on that was created on the 26th of May 2025 on a weekly time frame, the midpoint of this bullish shooting star. Right, I'm looking at that, and I'm also looking at the lower point of the BISI, that was the SIBI that was filled, right, at 100.276. These are the areas that I'm studying going forward. Yeah. When going back over to the daily time frame, right, the reason why I've got this flag there, this finishing flag there, is because that is where I'm expecting price to draw up into for this week, especially with the volatility that we're going to see in the marketplace. Dollar index is not a pair I trade. I don't trade dollar index, but what I do use it for is analysis for GBP USD and Euro USD. So using multi